Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: map, ID, and cache, then choose the simplest transit option. Begin at the main square or transit hub and follow riverfront signage. Once you have tickets, board the first scheduled vehicle toward the Havel corridor. Pay attention to announcements and display screens because they confirm stops. Move promptly, don't wait on side streets. As you travel, keep your map visible and your phone charged. This prevents last-minute detours and saves time. You continue by handling the most detailed part: transfers and walking segments. Exit at the Riverside station and switch to the local shuttle or tram that heads along the Havel. Follow the sequence: Old Mill, then Blue Bridge, then Havel Marina. These landmarks keep you on track. Once transferred, prepare to walk 5 to 15 minutes. Wear comfortable shoes. Make sure to check platform numbers again because they can change suddenly. Keep the map open. This reduces confusion and keeps you moving efficiently. You finish by taking the last approach. Follow the pedestrian signs to the Havel entrance and move in calmly. When you reach the marked gate, step through and orient yourself using the marina and bridge as reference points. If a gate is closed, use the nearby service path or the published detour on your map. Don't try unsafe shortcuts. If you get disoriented, ask a staff member or a local a simple landmark question. They'll point you quickly, and that usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.